Look who it is. It's Sasquatch. There's my Sasquatch. Oh my goodness. You ready to step up? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hello, Sasquatch. Hello. That's my Sasquatch. Hey, sweetheart. Hi, baby. If you don't step down, I can't pet you. Sasquatch, what are you doing? What are you doing, Sasquatch? Little Sasquatch. Here's my baby. Oh, such a cutie pie. If you want to be petted, though, you've got to step down to my leg. You just sit there. Oh, you're going to clean me and let me play with your little bee? I love you, little bee. I love you, bee. I can't pet you like this. You gotta step down. Step down. Come on. You have such a little mind of your own. You do. You like doing things your way, which is fine by me. There you go. That's my baby. That's my Sasquatch. Now I can pet you. Now I can pet you. You don't want me to do that? Since when? Since when? So if I give you a nut, are you going to throw it on the floor? You're just going to refuse to take it. Okay. Fine by me. What is it, cutie pie? What is it, cutie poo? Where's my cutie baby? Who loves you, Sasquatch? My little Sasquatch. Yeah? You can chew on this sweater. I changed it. This is my bird sweater. Oh, I see. You're used to my green pants. You like my bird pants. These are my work pants. What are you doing, little man? What are you doing, Sasquatch? What is it, baby? What is it, boo-boo? My little Sasquatch. I know your head itches. You were scratching it earlier. Surely you want your head scratched. Surely. Surely you do. Oh, is this going to be a baby boo-boo? No? What kind of mood are you in, baby? What's with my Sasquatch? What's going on with Sasquatch? What's my Sasquatch doing? What? What are you doing, cutie poo? What are you doing, little one? Don't even look at my camera. You want to be petted? Of course you do. What's with my Sasquatch? I want to pet Sasquatch. There we go. That's my little green bird. That's my little clown. I love my Sasquatch. I love you, Sasquatch. I particularly love you because you don't bite me. You show a lot of restraint, little bird. I love you, Sasquatch. I love you, Sasquatch.